Hey guys, I want to talk about grassroots hot rodding. Remember back in the day when you got your first car, you know, could have been a Mustang, a Camaro, or a Cutlass, or a Fairmont, or whatever it was. Remember when you were the first guy that maybe took out the silencer, bumped the timing, saved up for the underdrive pulley, saved up for some Dynamax mufflers? Back then, I don't know, some of us, I think I felt, hey, I'm hot rodding my car. I think back, years ago, the first guys that put a V8 into a Model T chassis and put some bigger tires on the back and went ripping around. That's grassroots hot rodding. And for some of us, you might have had a family member say, you'll never do that, or your friends, or somebody might say, you'll never do it, it'll never work, you're going to wreck it. Well, I'm so happy to see, I saw the coolest thing yesterday. There's a young fella named Mason. He's got an 86 Mustang. He's had it for a year. He's 16 years old. And he did the coolest thing to the car. He got an Eaton style supercharger, and he wanted to adapt it to the car. And, he's slowly working on it. He's got it running. We'll show you the video in a second. And the thing I like about this is, here's a 16-year-old guy. He's hot rodding his 86 Mustang. He can do to the car whatever he wants to. His family's behind him. He's got awesome support with that. And you know what? When you have a project like that, or even a project big or small, it teaches us how to think. And we all got to start somewhere. Foxbody, got Mason here with his 86 Mustang. Tell me about the supercharger kit.
I designed and built this at a fabrication shop that I work at.
Okay.
And
did you say you guys did that on CAD first?
Yes, AutoCAD.
AutoCAD, and then you laser cut it out?
Yeah.
Okay. And you just got it running good. Mm-hmm. You've driven it for a while. It's just an awesome work in progress. I just love seeing this. What's the blower off of, do you know?
I don't really
Is it off
know.
of like a Super Coupe or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. And you're going to be painting the car soon?
Yeah.
What color? Same color?
Yes, same color, gunmetal gray.
Gunmetal gray. We even have the Trans Am boys showing up today too. And how long have you owned the car for?
Just around a year.
Around a year? Yeah. No, this is what I love about project cars, and to attempt a project like this. Do you know roughly how much boost you're making at all?
Around 5.
Around 5? Okay. Hey, you can drop the hood. Let's see how it looks with it coming out of the hood. Well, that is cool. And you said you have plans of intercooling it too?
In the future, if I can find a small enough one that fits in there.
Okay. This is so cool seeing this car pulling up, because you've been working on it for the last few months and got a few bugs figured out, and it's just a pleasure seeing it. Thanks for showing me your car.
Thank you.
Let's check this out. That just purrs like a kitten. Have a good one. So if you or your son or your daughter or somebody you know has a project like this where they're taking their first car and they're modifying it and doing some really cool stuff to it, let me know in the comments what they're doing. I just think it's amazing. Like I say, projects like this, where most people wouldn't attempt it, or most of these projects get put on the shelf because they couldn't make it work. I give him really awesome credit for making it work and never giving up. And I've always said this, it teaches us how to think. Because, you know, he didn't just go, I can't get it. He kept going. He ended up having a couple of issues he figured out. But it teaches us how to think. And mark my words, I want to see what this guy's going to be doing in 10 years from now. So kudos to you, Mason. Thanks for showing me your car. And it was just cool when he drove up with it. A couple other older guys pulled in to check it out. Another car drove through the parking lot because they're like, what's that sticking from out of the hood? There was people walking by, checking the car out. And I can just imagine he pulls up at a stoplight. You know, this guy's in high school, and I said to him, you know what, at your 25-year reunion, people will still be talking about that car. Such a cool project. Thanks again, Mason, for showing us your car. And hey guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.